What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. Take this good ass energy. Today we're making a dark beat. These type of beats are my favorite type of beats, and I'm pretty sure you guys like it as well. So let's just dive right into the video. I'm going to try and use CRADLE only for the melody, and also this beautiful MIDI keyboard from FL Studio. Super fire in my opinion. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. Other than that, let's just dive right into the video. Let's get it. Alright, let's put on the scale, D harmonic right here. That's how you pick the scales. I just go with D sharp, press scale, and now it should be locked in the scale. So add some effects to this. Pitch is down. starts like this. Shit. Back it up, I ain't sending back. Yeah, shit is sending back. I just said it. That's hard. Shit. This be cold, bro. Put a low filter on this. That's dangerous. It's hard. Imagine someone singing on this on the hook and then just going crazy on the verse, like freestyling. I don't know, but it's like super usable, this beat, a lot of room. Shout out FL Studio, shout out Novation for sending this keyboard. Super fire. Link is in the description. It's not sponsor or anything, but yeah, I just wanted to give them a quick shout out for sending me this beautiful keyboard. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Also, I'm active on social media as well at Beats. Make sure to follow me there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.